it comes, here it comes. Oh,
oh, there we go.
There we go. Yeah, down the jack.
Pull out, pull out, pull out.
All right, fill that out of the dip. Put gear fluid. Put fluid in the dip.
What oil you put in? That one?
Axle, good. Up go.
Okay. Go a little bit forward, I think. Right? You all right?
Go ahead, up go.
Okay. How's that loose? I think you're gonna hit on your side.
Look at the ground. There we go. There we go. There we go.
Is that looser? It's in already.
Yeah. Okay. We're very close to where we need to be right now, to be honest with you.
Sorry, guys.
Is that front wheel off the ground?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Stop. Straighten her out so we can get it going.
Yeah.
We got tons of time.
Yeah, but you can't be tuning or anything.
Can I look at the log and see if there's any issues?
Issues from the collision? No.
Okay. I thought we can work on whatever.
No, it's yeah, you can't change tires, you can't do a lot of things on the, you can't adjust suspension, you can't do that stuff because it's between battle basically. So how you came out is how you need to go back, you know what I mean?
Got it?
Car's on the ground. Huh?
We're good. We have a little play in the tie rod, but I don't want to risk it now.
Okay.
We basically have advantage, right? So if we finish the run, should be good?
I would assume so, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, maybe after the battle we'll stop the tie rod.
Who's declared at fault for that? You. He is?
Yeah.
Britsky's not on throttle at that.
I didn't see it, nor can I tell you anything about it.
They're not dead.
Light him up on entry a little bit. Yeah, thought maybe he could have been on throttle. Maybe he should have been.
What's up?
We're going to start our 5.
Okay.
Just, you know,
Yep.
just going to save it.
Right, yeah. You don't need.
Can we
yeah.
transfer it?
Right.
Roll it over?
They're still working on it. There's a minute and 14 seconds remaining, and they're probably going to call their 5. What'd you think about the competition today here?
I think the competition was fierce, it was triumphant, it was hashtag catchy keywords, it was sick. Yeah, he hit the white one.
Pat, can you get that loader from the track again? I want to push this wall back. That's the wheel, that's the dash bar.
Lucky he drove my way. You hit hard.
Yeah, dude, that thing smacked.
I get out there. We can. What's next? Oh, good. All right. We're gonna have to check out real quick.
You want me to go for the dip or the jackpot? The jackpot. Are you ready? Yeah, go on. Want the other one?
Yeah. Sorry.
Yeah, I know.
Closest I was gonna get.
Yeah, I was like, I can't drive.
Call it.
This is looking good.
I know. I was ready to go all the way.
Okay, so we're just gonna rerun run 2.
Okay.
So whenever you're ready, as soon as you can, go up. We'll do this.
Okay.
When you say as soon as you can,
Yeah, I guess
hurry up, or can we just double check it?
Yeah, I guess something. I don't know. They're just telling me on the radio.
Yeah, because it.
So, well, I think there's one battle left.
I think Stookie and those guys were protesting.
Oh, yeah, I would.
No, they said they were going to keep over.
I mean, it does say, I mean, on the follow, it was flapping around.
It was flopping on both.
Right, but I mean, but he followed first.
Yes.
Then we tried to help,
Yes.
which isn't bad on us, and it's still flopping
They
around.
could have saw that and called the fire themselves.
if you attempt
Correct.
to fix,
They could have called a 5 instantly
Right.
on the follow.
had we not allowed him to go, or it's up to them?
I mean,
Because we fixed it, therefore they're like, oh no, it's good, we're good.
yeah, but you already did it once. So your chase is already a 0.
Yeah. It's a 0 if a latchable item.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean,
It's
in theory,
it's a 0
your
on
chase.
both.
Right.
You're fucked on both.
And
We just,
both have a
I mean,
there
it's like us
all
zip
the
tying a rear bumper on, trying to help, and the bumper falls off when you do something else. Like, what do you want me to do? You know what I mean? Like, we're just trying to help. Why would I need to come to the tower?
Because it's gonna rule against the Nova, and you're gonna have to weigh.
They should have called their own 5. They have 3 spotters up there for 3 different teams. I just tried to help them, and now you're gonna. So if we want to play that game, we can do that from now on. We will help no one. Everyone automatically gets a 5. So you want me coming up the stairs or what? Yeah. Oh, what's up, sir? Are you coming back to visit one day?
I am.
With a steering wheel? Yes. Yeah.
Second run, there was a zip tie that held it somewhat, but it's still fun.
It's
Still like right in his line of sight.
right. It pulled it straight through.
Tracked him, and like I said, if I'm initiating into the zone, I'm looking at the wall in the zone to go there. So if something catches my eye right there, I'll start coming in, and that's exactly right what happened.
Yeah. That's what I mean. You throw in. He's probably trying to look at his front tire and his position, and then he notices there's something moving.
And then right there is where he.
How straight is that wheel? Not too bad. Actually, we'll be okay. Just give me the hooks. Just give me the hooks. Oh, we only have one? That's fine. That's fine.
What about this?
She'll come. She'll come. That's all right. She'll come. She'll be all right.
I think it's a little bound up. Alright. Oh, there we go.
With the cars going side by side for the majority of the track.
That looks wild.
My shoe was breaking up so bad.
Oh, yeah.
I was asleep in the second run.
What happened after like initiation?
I was asleep. He left me off the line because I wasn't in focus after the restart. So I was just asleep and he pulled from me, and then I was in the smoke and totally.
Damn.
Congrats, man.
All right, can you lift it up so I can look? They're protesting that you don't have a full exhaust.
Okay.
So I need to look.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
Hey, the back section broke off.
Right.
We can weld it on right now.
On
but
the other run. Well, they're basically saying you lost because of that.
Do I need to go get the welder again?
Wow.
It's pretty easy.
Wow.
It might.
What is it? Hey.
Oh, okay. All right. Yeah. Let me find out here.
We have the welder. We could literally run one bead on it. We just thought it'd be more of a safety hazard if falling off.
Copy that. All right. Don't even bother. We gotta go. We gotta go. Sorry.
No, you're good. Thank you.
Yeah.
So hot.
The rule that
But
it's
I think you
supposed to
got
be
to
on.
start the season or the event with it when you
started the event with
but
it.
when-
It broke off out there on track.
It literally broke off outer zone 3 on the battle before this.
Right.
And
So that's not what made a win or a loss.
hey, I
is that
could
piece of
easily
pipe.
call 5 minutes to weld on, but what's the point of
Right.
I'm-
Right. Yeah. So yeah. Let's just keep going.
Okay.
Yep.
Good, Eric?
6'9". If we have a second, can we look on the track? There's oil all over the front of Olsen's car looks like from Field's car. Just look real fast.
Yeah, I can see it.
Yeah, I see it. And I saw it on the back
On the
corner.
rear quarter.
Yeah. LZ's on the ground, basically ready to go. They're just setting tire pressures. LZ.